In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export my data from Freshbooks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pull a clean CSV file of your information using invoices as the example. The same approach applies to other data types like expenses, clients, time entries, and reports. So once you learn it here, you can repeat it anywhere in your account. First, go to Freshbooks in your browser and open your account. From the main dashboard, think about the data you want to take out. FreshBooks supports exporting multiple categories, and the layout is designed to make them easy to find. You'll use the left-hand menu to move between sections. So that's your starting point whenever you're preparing an export. Let's walk through invoices. In the left-hand menu, click Invoices to open the full list. Give the page a second to load so you can see your records. At the top or near the toolbar, look for the More Actions button. Click it to reveal additional options that aren't shown by default. Choose Export Invoices from that menu. FreshBooks will prepare an export panel where you can tailor what goes into the file. You'll see an option to download invoices CSV. CSV is a universally compatible spreadsheet format that opens in tools like Excel, Google Sheets, and Numbers, and it's great for backups, analysis, or sharing with your bookkeeper. Before you download, set the date you want included. Use the date selector to focus on the period that matters to you, whether that's a specific month, a quarter, or your entire fiscal year. Narrowing the range keeps the file tidy and speeds up the export if you have a lot of history. Next, select a currency. If you bill in more than one, choosing the right currency ensures amounts and symbols match what you expect on the other end. This small step helps avoid confusion when you open the CSV later. When your date and currency look correct, click Export Invoices to begin. FreshBooks will compile the file, and after a short moment, the download will start automatically. Watch your browser's downloads area or check your downloads folder on your computer. If you have download prompts enabled, approve the save so the file lands where you want it. Once the file is saved, open it to verify the contents and column headers. Keep the CSV somewhere secure, especially if it contains sensitive financial details. To export other data, return to the left-hand menu, open the relevant section, and follow the same export flow you just used here. That's it. You've successfully exported your data from FreshBooks.